Hello Game Makers, this is GameMaker Rob, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make a health bar like this using hearts and an array with a simple shake effect when you are taking damage. So let's get started. So for this tutorial I have a sprite with 3 hearts. We're going to have 5 hearts in total. Each heart represents 20% of the health. So for example, we have 90 health. There's going to be 4 full hearts and 1 half heart. And it's going to go down like that. Let's just create an object. We're going to call it obj heart or hearts. I'll do. Make sure it's in your room. And we need to create an array. Max hearts equals 5 for var hearts equals 0. Hearts is less than max hearts. Hearts plus plus. We're also going to use or create an enumerator. We're going to have index. We're going to have full value and half value. And the full value is going to be HP max minus hearts times HP max divided by max hearts. I'm trying to code it so you don't have to use 100 as HP current. Okay, so if we now go into the draw GUI event, start x equals room width divided by 2 in brackets minus a new variable called sprite width times 2.5, and SBR width is just going to be the width of the heart sprite. Okay, so we want to draw the hearts from the left. So for var hearts equals the max hearts. Actually, it would be much easier if we do start x as room width divided by 2 and adding sprite width times 2.5. Yeah, that'd be a lot easier. So start x minus and then change this. And just to make sure we're drawing them in the correct order, let's just do a little bug fix. Okay, so let's run the game. Awesome, so the hearts are being drawn in the correct order. Great. So take out this little bug fix, the draw text. We don't need it. We're now going to go into the step event. And we're going to say reduce health when pressing spacebar. So if keyboard check pressed VK space, HP current minus equals irandom range 5 and 20. And we're going to update array with new image index. So another for loop for var hearts equals 0. Hearts is less than max hearts. Hearts plus plus. If HP current is less than A hearts, hearts, E hearts, lots of hearts here, dot full value. So the value, the hit point needs to be when it's full. Yeah, let's put it into brackets here then. Then A hearts, hearts, E hearts dot index equals 1. And then copy this, paste it. If HP current is less than the half value, then index will equal 0. Let's just update this as well. Want to make sure we don't go below 0 for the hearts. So let's run the game and make sure this is working as intended. We're got a crash. We didn't declare damage. Oh, my bad. It should be damage equals random range. Try again. There we go, we're dead. So as with the previous health bar video, we're going to make the hit points drop gradually. And it's going to be done in exactly the same way. We just need another variable called HP temp. Okay, in the step event, we want to change where we're updating the array with a new image index. We want to change it to HP temp. And we're going to move this out of here as well to here. I'm going to say if HP temp is greater than HP current, then do this. HP temp minus equals 0.5. Let's run the game, make sure this works. So I'm pressing it once and it drops. If it's taking 20 health, it will take a few seconds to get there. So the last thing we're going to do today is just implement a really easy shake effect on the hearts. Shake equals 0. This is how much the heart will be moving up or down by. We don't need to do anything in the step event. This is just going to go straight into the GUI. So where we draw the sprite, we want to say start Y plus shake. And the shake effect is going to go here. We're going to say if HP temp is not equal to HP current, so we know that we're in the process of displaying damage being taken, and HP temp is greater than 0. So once it reaches 0, we want the shake effect to stop and never happen again. Else shake equals 0. So if we're taking damage, then shake equals irandom range, and we'll try -5 and 5. I think I tried -10 and 10 before, and it was a bit too much. So let's see how this one looks. So let's take some damage. And there we go. We're dead. I guess there's a bit of life left in us after all. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.